What's up guys, I just bought my new TM SIM card and the price is just 30 pesos, and let's do a quick unboxing of this TM prepaid SIM powered by LTE and 5G, and also supports 5G LTE, 4G LTE, okay, in select locations and with compatible devices. So here it is. Let's remove this. Do not accept if seal is broken or tampered with. So here it is guys. Upon opening the package or the packaging of the TM SIM card, you'll have a TM SIM guide. So here are the instructions on how you will start using your TM SIM, about the registration, the promos, and anything under or all the information you needed to know using the TM SIM. So here is the TM itself, the TM SIM card itself. It's a tri-cut prepaid SIM. So here it is guys, our TM tri-cut SIM card. So we're gonna be using the smallest cut, which is the micro mini form. So here it is guys, mostly used on modern phones. Let me fix the focus. And the two forms are used on older versions of mobile phones. The bigger one is commonly used on keypad phones, and the smaller one, which is the micro SIM card form, is used on some other compatible phones. So don't forget to keep this, because you'll be needing this if you are prompt to enter your PIN 1 and 2 and your PUK 1 and 2 if you'll be having some errors on your SIM card or troubleshooting your SIM cards. Gonna need this in the future, so keep it guys. So you're gonna need to scratch this to see, to reveal the codes, the PIN numbers. So let's now install this micro mini SIM card form on my phone. Heard me guys, it's windy outside. Alright, so in installing your SIM card on your phone, first things first is you need to remove the cover of your phone. In my case, it's a what we call this cover, a soft cover I guess. And then you'll need a SIM ejector pin that you will insert on the SIM card SIM tray hole, and you're gonna make sure that your phone is turned off. So let's turn off this phone first. Select power off. Okay, then it's off. Let us now start ejecting the SIM tray. So just insert the ejector pin, then pop out the SIM tray. Okay, and here it is guys, the SIM tray. Mine is a dual SIM with micro SD form, and you will now insert your SIM card. So just by looking at your SIM tray, you can see there are markings there, writings. For example, you can see here, you can read it, SIM 1 and SIM 2, and then see the instructions. Here it is, you will insert the micro SD. So we will gonna be using the SIM 1 slot. So here it is, guys. Fits perfectly. It's like that. You see the cut here. That is where you're gonna face your SIM, and then let's now insert your new SIM card. So like that, slide it, then turn on your phone. It's now open. Just wait, and you can now see, guys, it successfully detected our SIM card. You can see we have now the 4G signal. Okay, I have some storage problems here. Just skip it. Okay, we can now select the SIM card service. Okay, let's choose prepaid. Okay, here it is, guys. Okay, SIM card is now ready to use. So let us now check the SIM card settings on the settings. It's found on the SIM card and mobile data. And as you can see, we have now SIM 1 is activated, which is our TM SIM card. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, buyboytv. See you guys on my next video. Alright. Anyway, guys, I'm at the park